2 days ago, my city just had the first snow in 2023. The air is so fresh. I'm just right next to the Fenhe, the River Fen, the mother river for Shanxi people. So I'm coming today to Dou Dafu Zi, the memorial temple to Minister Dou. This is a beauty, trust me. 4 beautiful liuli dragons at the Shanmen mountain gate. During the Cultural Revolution, the locals cut these dragons into 4 pieces. You can see that cracks. They cut it and hid them somewhere, and to protect them. We can still see them today. 这里的山门还用了明5按3的格局。朝南的这边是用的5开间，朝北的这间是3开间。很少见。It's a Yuan Dynasty offering hall, spacious. Yuan Dynasty building is known for their bold and rough and a powerful design. The 4 columns are huge in size, with a diameter of 0.8 meters. I don't have any other word to describe this ceiling. Wow, it likes a spider's web. The most beautiful spider web ceiling I have ever seen. 3 levels. On the very top, there is a round opening. In China, it stands for heaven. At the bottom, you see a square shape that is earth. Old Chinese believe the sky is round and the earth is square. And in the middle, standing on the ground, there are 4 buildings, palace buildings, that represent the world we're living in. And this entire wooden caisson ceiling is stacked up by mortise and tenons and brackets without any nails used. The caisson ceiling is a sunken panel set into the ceiling. It's oftenly layered and richly decorated. Now this one, in Forbidden City, you're gonna see the richly decorated caisson ceiling. I would say this is the 700 years old Lego games for some Chinese craftsmen and builders. In the entire temple, there are 5 people, 3 security guard, 1 in office, ticket office. The number 5 is me. Another cultural heritage is these 2 pieces of wooden doors. They were also from the Taiyuan, so it's over 700 years old. There are 2 dragons on these 2 pieces of the wall. The scales, look at the scale. This is the Chinese traditional technique, 立粉贴金. So they use like a fine clay and a glue to make that scale, then covered it with gold leaves. So to make that almost like a 3D dragons. 700 years old. Unbelievable. I'm now in front of Douchou's statue, a water conservancy minister of the Jing state during the spring and autumn period, some 2,500 years ago. His main duty was to build irrigation works and harnessing the Fen River for the farmers. He did such a tremendous job that the locals admired him so much. In the end, unfortunately, he was murdered by his political rival, Zhao Jianzi, because of the different political stance. Beloved and revered by his people, his statue and this memorial temple for him was built by the locals after his passing. Locals has been coming and praying at this temple for many centuries to pray for rains for their crops. So he's like a deity of the rain. Inside the temple, there are many stone tablets. So whenever there was a drought, the locals come here to pray for the rains. If it really rains, they would come back and to say thank you. So they kept that on a stone tablet. And this is the Lord Guan's statue, but very different from the rest. Normally, Lord Guan with a red face. This one almost black. And Lord Guan always in a green robe, but this one, she dressed like a minister, Chinese like a high senior minister. Zhou Cang always holds the blade for Lord Guan. The other is Guanping, adopted son of Lord Guan. He is holding the seal for Lord Guan. Another cultural relics on my list is checked. It's such an amazing place. There are how many hidden gems in Shanxi Province? I don't know the answer. Thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Shanxi is pretty awesome, right? River Fen, clean and clear water. It's minus 15 today. I'm standing in a very big wind. It's freezing cold. My hand doesn't feel anything anymore. This is Shanxi, my hometown. The most beautiful place on earth.